Ever wondered what fuels your body during workouts and helps you recover afterward? Let's break down the role of macronutrients. First up, carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's main source of energy. They break down into glucose, giving you that quick energy boost during intense activities. And after your workout, carbs help replenish your glycogen stores, so you can keep performing at your best. Next, proteins. These are your muscle repair superheroes. While they're not the main energy source, they're essential for rebuilding muscles after exercise. So whether you're lifting weights or going for a run, protein helps reduce muscle breakdown and promotes growth. And then we have fats. Fats provide long-lasting energy, especially during low-intensity activities. They also reduce inflammation, helping your body recover and repair after a tough workout. Plus, fats help your body absorb key vitamins needed for healing. To sum it up, carbs fuel your workouts, protein helps with muscle recovery, and fats keep you energized for the long haul. So, make sure your plate has all three macronutrients for peak performance and optimal recovery. Want more tips on nutrition and fitness? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. End screen with subscribe button and video suggestions.